Just want to show off what our new artist is currently doing. We actually have a new pixel artist that's going to be helping with animations for enemies, spells, and characters. He's currently working on the Gaia's Heart insects and plant monsters. This is a early work in progress of a little beetle that's literally just going to be like crawling along the floors inside of the jungle. It's going to be smaller than like these stumps here, so not a very big enemy. It's mainly just meant to act like a little caterpillar that you just run around and see every so often. We have a couple of frames of animation. We're going to be polishing up the walking and animation later on. Basically, for now, we just wanted a couple of frames just to like see how his colors look with the background, make sure like contrast is good enough that people can see them easily. Once we finish testing them out and get other ideas, we'll be adding more in-between frame animations that will actually like smooth out the animation. Basically, this is going to be the bloom bug. He's going to be a little roly-poly like caterpillar that has like a flower on top that actually like gives out like poisonous spores as he walks. So while walking, he'll leave a small trail of like poisonous pollen. But yeah, want to share that. And just for anybody wondering, if no one's used Sprite and they use like other art programs, the reason why we're using Sprite here, if you actually use Sprite, so this is actually not a PNG file, this is actually a Sprite file. Unity actually has a built-in special format for Sprite files. If you actually have an Sprite file here, so if you see my Sprite file automatically generates a animation controller and animations and the sprites. So if you actually are using Sprite, if you can actually tag like animation frames. Whenever you tag animation frames, what Unity will do is it'll auto create the actual controller and it'll automatically set up your animations for you. And you can even do events inside of it. So you can actually like tag, create like animation events. And if you add an animation event inside Sprite, let's say maybe like a on def like tag and stuff like that, Unity will actually allow you to trigger events like animation events. So you can actually trigger C# events based off like the tags inside of Sprite. Really useful feature if you want to not have to manually set up animation controllers, transitions, and stuff like that. Like I said, you just do it in Sprite and it automatically sets things up. But I will be showing off more from our new artist as he works on more stuff, but just want to start sharing some stuff off and say really nice to have another pixel artist on our team.